A group of construction workers are starting the day off right, getting a good stretch in before the heavy lifting begins. 11's out live with them this morning, joining this stretch and flex session and learning why it's key to workplace safety. Hey, Lev.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, I'm here with Kevin Ryder, and this is what it's all about. Getting your stretch on before and even during your work session. Kevin, what is it like to, once you bring this into your group, but then to see the group kind of thrive at it?
Well, for me, it's, it gets the people together and, gets them talking to each other and communication on the project. But not only that, loosens everyone up and prevents injuries on the job. So the masons today are setting some big, heavy stone. And, as you can imagine, a lot of bending, a lot of stretching involved in that kind of work. So just to have people loose and, able to function, I guess, on a construction job, because you never know when you're going to pull a muscle or whatever, right? So I've
got to ask you, this job, we talked about it's been going on for a little bit, but this place looks gorgeous right now.
Thank you. Yeah, we've been here for September of 23. It's 30 months. We're, big major entrance in the back of the building here. We're on the interior part right now. This is IP Commons, where it's like a community gathering space for all the tenants in the building. There's about 2,000 tenants in the two towers. And where they gather and join in like a town hall setting,
I've got to tell you, when we talk about these guys and they're doing their things here, and we're seeing some of them stretch right here, we always want to think safety first.
Right.
And I just know being limber kind of helps with being safe.
100%. Yep, 100%. Probably the masons the most, but yeah, like I said, lifting heavy things all day and moving in weird positions, right? Got to be loose, right? So, and they're climbing ladders and, doing all kinds of things, climbing in holes. And
when you guys do this, the Columbia construction crew, there's so many different parts to the crew.
Absolutely.
This must also be a great situation where guys can kind of talk to one another.
That's right.
And meet everybody.
That's right, yeah. So the contractors we work with are typically trade specific, but they interact with other and coordinate with each other, right? So obviously the concrete guy goes first in this space, right? Then the mason comes in. So there's a lot of crossover, a lot of coordination between people and a lot of talking, and that's what we're here for, is to accommodate that process. Keep everyone safe, but keep people working together and keep the flow going and, stay out of the owner's hair and keep the place quiet and produce a nice product.
So I got to ask you, are you more flexible now?
I'm definitely more flexible. Absolutely. Yep. Yeah. Absolutely.
How do you know? How do you know? Do you want to have a touch your toes contest?
Sure,
let's do it. Okay, let's do it real quick. Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
I think I'm lower.
Oh, stop it. I just think we're on the same breath there. Come on now. We did it as quick as possible. Yep. How much fun do you see just seeing everybody smiling and having a good time?
Yeah, it's definitely a big part of it for me. I push it. I push the stretch and flex a lot because I do think it brings people together and kind of breaks the ice. Not only does it keep everyone loose and comfortable, but break the ice and get people talking to each other, really.
Thank you so much, man.
Thank you.
Thank you guys for having us here all morning long. This has been fantastic. I get a chance, by the way, Maura Douglas, she's just fantastic getting it done. And we've been able to talk to Carly Hayden over there. And Carly, she's another one of those rock stars who just make sure that safety is first. I would say this, Jordan, when you get a chance to come on a work site, it looks fantastic. Because I'd never been on one. I want to thank Columbia for coming us out here. And I will say this, if you get a chance on a Tuesday morning, Jordan, to, I know you like to do your yoga, stretch and flex. This is the place for you to be. Back to you.
I like my yoga, Lev, but stretching is so important no matter what you're doing, and this is a great reminder for everyone at home to do those stretches. Lev, thanks for showing this spot to us.